Hey, what's up, everybody? Happy Saturday. I hope you had a great day today. In today's video, I want to share with you how I'm earning and growing Bitcoin. I've been doing this for over a year now, and I'm still doing it. I'm still earning daily, and I want to share with you to show you how the program works. So simply it is right now, as of today, the price of Bitcoin, let me just put it up real quick. Bitcoin price US dollars is roughly right now $44,103. That's one Bitcoin. One single Bitcoin is worth that. And to get started with us today in our platform is only going to cost you 0.0019 Bitcoin, roughly around $83. As Bitcoin goes up, the fee for getting started goes up. If Bitcoin goes down, the fee goes down. Right. So now is still a perfect time to get in. It's a one-time out of pocket. You don't have to take any other money out of your pocket again to plug in to actually buy anything else. Okay, it's just a one-time out of pocket, like I said, and I'm going to show you how that works. So basically, this is what we call a 2x2 follow me matrix. Once you get started into the program, you get placed in what we call a 2x2 matrix. So this is the first level right here. Right now I have 4 levels activated, but this is the first level. When the 0.0019 Bitcoin, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna be at the very top of your matrix, right? You are the very top of the matrix. So you and 2 people, you're going to need 2 people to work with to help you get going. So basically, as you see, these 2 members here join me, all right? There's 2 members join me, and they fall under me, okay? How this works, I bring 2, and they do the same thing. Or I could bring all 6 people. With a total of 6 people on this board, it's cycle create what we call a cycle, and it pays out 0.0056 Bitcoin. Okay, so 0.0056 Bitcoin, what right now the price of that 56 is roughly $246.98. Okay, so you made a one-time purchase of $83, and once it cycles, you pretty much going to triple your Bitcoin. You get triple the amount. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This 3 person here, that's what's going to give you the triple amount. Now you might say in the 4th person here, once the 4th person fired, that was going to create a cycle. But the 4th person that joins here, that's going to go back into the system, so you could redo this, open this board a second time, over and over. Remember, so you don't ever have to invest or buy anything else. The same amount that you put in here is going to go back in, and you're going to always have this board for life. You don't ever have to repay. Now, once it's cycle, you're going to get paid this amount. So this board is going to open. You're going to cycle, and then the system, the amount, the 246, the system going to actually use that for the first time, one time, and automatically activate this level for you, the 0.0056. So this board pays out the amount for this board. This is just a feeder level, right, to get you in the game, to get you started. So a one-time $83 with 2, you invite 2 people, they bring 2 each. Once they bring the 2 each, you're both going to cycle. It don't matter who bring those people in. You could bring your first 2, or the person above you could bring their first 2. I'm going to show you an example. This person has his own 6 spots on it. If I click on this person's name, you're going to see it. This person at the top of the board, they have 2 spots under them. Okay. Now I could go back to mine. If I bring these 2 people here under this person, so the next person that brings in, that join me, going to land right here under this person. So that means you're going to be under them right here. You're part of their board. That's part of your cycle. They're on your board. Okay. So right now, the person, if I brought this person, they're going to be under you. That counts towards your 6. So as you see here, if they bring the 2, it counts towards my 6. If I bring 2, it counts towards their 6. So we are working together here. Okay. We are working together, never by yourself. Always 2 people. So you working, and the people under you are also working to fill the spot. It's more power to us if everyone just bring the 2 people. If I brought my 2, if this person brought it 2 and he brought his 2, that's going to make things go fast. I cycle out, and the same thing. They bring the 2, this person bring the 2, you cycle out. So you keep going, never stops. On all levels, works the same way. So the first level, 0.0019, pays out 0.0056. Okay. Now once this level is activated, now you have 2 levels that you're going to be working with. The same 6 people here could be the same 6 people here. Why I say that, F is a 2x2 follow me matrix. So I brought these 2 members, whenever this 2-member cycle, if I didn't bring no one else in, guess what happened? Guess where they're going? When this person cycle, they're going to come right here and fall in my next open spot. This person cycle, they're going to come here and fall in my next open spot, which is under this individual here. Now they count towards that person's board as well, towards that person's 6. If I bring 2 in again, these 2 here, they cycle, they're going to come back and they will fall under my next open spot, causing me to cycle again. If this person brought his 2 in, he brought his 2 in, I'm going to create a cycle. Now, since I already have the next level activated, once I cycle this level, this 0.0056, it pays out 0.00167. So I'm going to go and show you how much that is. 0.00167. That's roughly $736.53 as of right now. Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin goes down. If Bitcoin goes up, this amount rises. If Bitcoin goes down, this amount drops. Okay? Going back. So, here we go again. Now, the first time you cycle, like I said, the amount you earn going to use to automatically open this level. Now, the second time, since you have this board open up over and over, you pretty much own it for the lifetime you're in the program. You own this board, you don't have to repay anything, and nothing came out of your pocket. Remember that. You put 83 in, you cycle, you made over $200 on this level. It opens automatically, opens up this level for you. Now, once you cycle this second time, it's going to pay again 0.0056. Where that money goes, it goes into your back office, into your wallet. That's yours. Okay? It's only one time the system is going to automatically upgrade you. Now, once you cycle this level, the feeder level now, the feeder level pays out, like I said, 0.0167, roughly around $700. Now, once this level cycle, it opens up again like 1, 2, 3. The first 3, that's where you get the 700 and change. This last person here cause your board to cause it to go back into the system, and you open up this level again. So now you have the choice to open up this level by yourself. The system is not going to do it for you. It's not going to automatically do it. Once you cycle this level, the money is going to be yours. You have a choice to, hey, you're satisfied with just this 2 levels. You're going to just keep working with the 2 levels and keep earning. You're not going to go farther. It's up to you. No one's going to force you. Okay? Now, if you do decide to upgrade like me, be smart about it. I'm here to earn as much Bitcoin as possible, as fast as I can. So now with my choice, I open up another level. I use that money once it's cycle and open up this level. Remember, nothing else come out of your pocket. You don't have to take anything out of your pocket. The system helps you generate that amount of Bitcoin so you can move to the next level. Now, this level here pays out 0.05 Bitcoin. Let's see what 0.05 Bitcoin worth today. 0.05 Bitcoin is roughly $2,205. Now, think about that. You're earning 200 on this level, you're earning 700 for this level, and this level you're earning 2,000. So think about it. If you have all these 3 levels activated and all 3 levels cycles, do the math. Do the math. How much income is that? And remember, we get paid in Bitcoin. Okay, you get paid in Bitcoin, but you could always convert that Bitcoin to US dollars or whatever currency that you want to convert it to. You could always do that. Okay. Now, like I said, the same 60. Right now, I just need 2 more people here. If this person brought their 2, that will cause me to create a cycle. They're going to pay me up over $2,000 for this level. Now, once you cycle this level, like I said, it's up to you. You have a choice. The system is not going to automatically upgrade it to the next level. It's only going to do that once at the first cycle. Now, you get paid up $2,000 right here. It's up to you to use that to upgrade to the next level, 0.05 Bitcoin. Now, I don't have another level activated because I haven't cycled this level yet. Now, 0.05 Bitcoin, once this level cycles, it pays out 0.15 Bitcoin. So let me go here, 0.15 Bitcoin. That's roughly $6,615.57 as of the price of Bitcoin today. So imagine, once you cycle the level, you earn over 6,000. So you earn 6,000 on this one, you earn 2,000 on this one, you earn 7 something on this one, and you earn over 200 on this one. So 200 over 200 plus 700 plus 2,000 plus, I'll just say that 7,000 or 6,000. The thing about it, you cycle in all 4. If I cycle all these 4 levels once, that's over what? $10,000. Or roughly around $10,000 right there. So that's how powerful this program is. Okay. You might be asking what's our products and service that we have. It's training, digital training on cryptocurrency. Okay, that's what our platforms offer, right? For each level, that's the training offer. Let me start going to these resources. and they have different. This is ebooks, different ebooks you get on different type of trainings. Okay, this is just the one of the levels. I think it's which level of pre-talk I went to. I think it was the feeder. Yeah, that's the feeder level. Okay, each level has the courses in there that you could go in and do the training. All video training, you have the choice to sit down and learn it for yourself. No one's gonna teach it to you. You have to go in there and learn it. It's video training, so you're gonna have to go in there and learn what you need to know. Okay, but like I said, we're here to earn Bitcoin. And if you're interested in growing your Bitcoin or earning extra income, this is a perfect platform that you could lock arms with me and let's work together and do this. I've been here for a while. I'm not trying to scam no one. I'm not trying to rob you of your money. I've been here showing this for over a year, and you guys seen me on my page. This is what I do. I'm not jumping from program to program. I'm consistent and sticking with it, and it's working. Okay, I could tell you it's working because I'm making money with it, and you too can make money with it if you're serious and want to work with me. I'm not going to ask you to take an extra penny out of your pocket other than 0.0019 Bitcoin right now, $83 to get started. Let's rock and roll and let's rock this out. Give me 90 days, and if you decide to do exactly what we train you to do or follow our simple strategy, I guarantee you're going to make money. Talk to you soon. Let's work.